Business credit reporting is also a major part of what we do, and this is an area where SoftPull Solutions stands out. Most companies can only provide consumer credit data. We go much further by offering business credit reports from several different data providers, such as those from Experian, Dun & Bradstreet, and other leading commercial data partners. This gives you valuable insight into a business's financial health, credit limits, payment patterns, and overall stability. Plus, you can monitor those business credit profiles over time, receiving alerts and notifications if a company's credit score changes or new activity appears. We also offer fast access to additional business data services, including UCC filings, liens and judgments, business ownership details, and corporate structure information. One of the biggest advantages? You can be approved and set up for business credit reporting and UCC searches the very same day. There's no inspection required, and our onboarding team doesn't need to collect extensive documents before activating your service.